Now let's go to question 4 of lab 1. So this is actually a time waster questions which you might have spent a lot of time doing the coding even though the solution itself is simple. But we'll just use several characters as example first. Now, the system consists of a base abstract class and a few derived classes in which every derived classes will be able to handle like a range of characters. So we also need to create a tester class to verify the input, the program. Then this is the outcome. So it's like a banner. If the user input is fsktm, then it will print out fsktm in a big character form, in which we'll have like 5 rows and 5, maybe it's a box of 5 times 5 for each character. I'll print them out. But because of us using the console application, it is certainly not possible for us to print out F first, then print S, and print K. But we need to print in a more creative way, something like this. So for each row, I will print out the first row first for character F, then S, and so on and so forth. Then for second row, I will do the same things until I finish all the rows. In order to achieve that, I have already created base classes. This is our parent class, which is a big character class, and we have another derived class AG, which extends the big character. So let's say we have a public abstract method get big character. So this abstract method is to be implemented in the child class. The return type should be an array, a 2D array, which is a 5 times 5 array of the character. And for the big character, we might have one character constructor which we need to build out. Now we don't actually need this. We just need the array of big character. Then in the constructor we can build the array that we want already. So big character AZ, which the parameter is the character. So integer big character equals to new integer. So this is the empty stuff. But if the character is equals to, for example, is equals to F, then we need to construct the big character in a more useful format, which is consists of 5 rows, and it will draw the F by using 1 and 0. Or even I can use a character, it might be easier. So now here can be the 2D character array. Okay, like this. So instead of 1, I'll just print a space. This is also a space. No, there are no space. If there's something that inside, it should be asterisk. So this is the F, first row of F. Then same thing we need to repeat 5 times. 3, 4, 5. So this is our F character, and this is a space, this is a space, this is a space, this is a space. Now I think I see a F already, but one F is not enough for us to do the testing. Let's go for another one. If it is equals to S, so S will be the, how to draw the S already, 1, 2, 1. This is a space, then diagonally it will grow this way. Okay, something like this. So this is when the character is F, when the character is S, it will construct its own 2D character array. So I need to do it. Actually, I will have to do it like from the character A to G or A to Z, depending on the range of the classes that support it. But I don't want to waste the time doing until the Z. because they are essentially the same thing. So public, I need to implement the parent classes. Okay, I just return the character. That's it. We have finished implementing the child class as well. Now let's go to a testing class. The reason we are going to do the inheritance is we assume that we will have several classes for each range of the characters. Although now we are not doing this, so maybe you can't see the reason of doing that. And we can do something like this. Array equals to new big character, and we will put the big character child class inside here. Maybe put an F here and put S here. Okay. So now we are going to print out all the things inside the array. This is row, which is 5 rows. Then after we print out the 5 rows array, we need to also loop them. For each big character we see in the array. Character with the particular row. I need to print them out. Also need to have another loop for the this should be a temporary array. Key in the temporary, I will just print it. Print the T here. And after I finish each character, I will print an empty space to separate between the characters. And after I finish for each row, I will print a line break to go to the next row. Seems like this is all. Let's try to test run. Yeah, we got an FS here. So this is the current version, but you need to add more characters to ensure that it supports more characters, and to ensure that you can put everything in this array, you need to make sure you have extended the parent class for every child class that you have. So that's it for the question 4. Thank you.